Let's learn how to divide the number 945 by 5 using the long division method. Consider the first digit 9. We know that 5 times 1 is 5. Now subtract this 5 from 9, we get 4. Now see that this 4 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this adjacent 4 here. And we know that 5 times 8 is 40. Subtract, we get 4. Again, this 4 is less than 5. That is why we will bring down this next adjacent 5 here. And we know that 5 times 9 is 45. Subtract, we get a 0. As we have got the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 945 divided by 5 is equal to 189. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.